Okay, next we need to setting the operation, which is from incoming palette. We will do later. Then the operation from machine center is you have to write with, because machining center is read from the product from the incoming palette, right? So you have to write with 12.8 minutes. And then if you want to check the logic move, you double click at the operation and then you click the compile. Okay, compile successful. That means your operation is right. The logic lah. And then the tuning center with in 8.3 and then check it again. That means this is right now what we are doing. Okay, outgoing conveyor is not to read. We always run. Okay, outgoing palette we 2 hours. Okay, check. You have to check it every you write before you become trouble in your future. Okay, then wait for 3.5 hours. 3. Okay, then check. Yeah, so that's mean our operation is successful.